When I'm out camping, I'm always looking for lightweight, and I'm always looking for interesting materials and practical gear. So this from Thousand Winds is a titanium 350 milliliter cup. Comes in a cool net type bag. If we open it up, we've got that bag for storage and cleaning. Then we've got the titanium cup itself. As you can see, has a couple of brass handles, wire handles, so no matter how hot or cold you have the item in here, it's not going to get changed by your grabbing it. And so you can hold a real hot coffee this way. And they come with a lid, which is pretty neat. Also titanium, also has the brass clip on top, so you can open it up, or I mean, yeah, so you can open the cup and not have get burned. And look how tight that lid is. It's so tight that you can lift the cup from it, but it comes right off. So that is pretty handy that you can put that on there, keep everything nice and warm, keep branches and rain and stuff from falling into it. And really digging this cup. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. This 350 milliliter is really a good size for your coffee, and it's titanium. Hope this helps.